What's up, guys? Matt Palliam here, and happy Sunday. That is right. And today we're going to be unboxing this WWE Elite Series 97 Chainsaw Charlie. That is right. Also known as Terry Funk. So here we go. First off, this figure is amazing. I really like it a lot. It comes with a chainsaw and everything. Now it's time to take out Chainsaw Charlie. Changeable hand is already out, as you can see. And the changeable head is out. Now, the final piece of the puzzle, Chainsaw Charlie's finally out. Hey guys, hope you all enjoy me unboxing this Chainsaw Charlie here on this Sunday video today, guys. So once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See, happy Sunday, and enjoy your Sunday too, guys.